from Brianna's Braids, and I have Ariana with me today, and we will show you how to do a heart hairstyle since we are literally a week away from Valentine's Day. And what we like about this style is that it could be worn at any age, either a kid or an adult. So let's spin you around. What's up?
I'll have to do the wee every time.
You have to do the wee.
Yes.
So I hope you like this tutorial, and let's get started. Start off by parting the hair straight down the middle, and now I will start making the heart shape part line. So make half a heart shape on the left side and mirror the same part line on the right. Once you're happy with the heart, brush it and tie it on the bottom with an elastic. Make a part line by the ear because we will only be braiding the top part of the hair, and I'll put clip on the bottom so it doesn't get tangled. Spray some water to manage flyaways, and now pick up a small section of the hair by the beginning of the heart and separate it to 3 equal strands. Put your left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle. Now right strand, pick up extra hair and add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. So we are only picking up hair on the right side, and I'm keeping my braid on the part line so you could see that heart shape. Continue braiding following the part line, and once you've picked up all the hair, finish off the braid and tie it together with an elastic. Repeating the same steps on the other side. Pick up a small section of the hair and split it to 3 equal strands. Right strand goes under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand under the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand under the middle and left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Continue braiding following the part line and tie the braid in the end with an elastic. Ponytail, I will use topsy tail tool, but you could totally do it by hand. Just pull the ponytail through, and now I will take the braids and cross them over the ponytail. To make it easier to tie them, I will ask Ariana to hold the ponytail out of the way and tie together the braids with an elastic. Now let the ponytail fall and you're all done. And let's do a final spin. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials is being uploaded. Also, leave us a comment below. Let us know, what do you think about this style? Is it something that you would wear for Valentine's Day? We would love to hear it. And as usual, we will list all the products that we used in this video in the description box below. And we will see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!
Bye!